In today's video, I'll show you how to install and use a trainer for Resident Evil Requiem to enable features like ultimate health, ammo, and other gameplay boost. Check my video description for this trainer download link. Scroll down. Under standalone versions, select this first link. Select this three dot icon and go to downloads. Select the three dot icon and select download dangerous file and select the download option again. Once download done, select this folder icon. Double click on the exe file and select yes option. Launch the game. Once you are in game, press the alt tab key and open this trainer. Select this install anti-cheat bypass option. Click the install, select the option and select OK. You just need to select the game folder. Select the game folder, select folder. Please restart the game and trainer to apply the changes. Select OK. Just close the game and reopen it. Once you are in game, press the Alt tab and open the trainer. As you can see, trainer successfully loads. And now turn on the cheats you like to use. In infinite ammo, it says take effect when you reload. So in my case, I doesn't have lots of ammos right now to reload. To find this cheat menu working, I'm gonna turn on this set fave to 75, setting to 100, and then just turn on this option, minimize this trainer. As you can see, the fave increased. And I'm gonna turn off the cheat to show you guys it's working. Just turn off the fave, and as you can see, it's get back to normal. Infinite ammo cheat takes effect when you reload the gun. In my case, I don't have ammo, so that's why I can't show you guys. So I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.